Hey guys, in today's video I want to talk to you about where do you get your value. So what kind of a question is that? Where do you get your value? It's tied to your identity. Do you get your value from your status in your community, from the status you have in your sphere of influence? Do you get your value from what people think of you? Do you get your value from your popularity? Do you derive your value from the things that you have? Do you derive your value for the size of your 401k, for the money that you have in your checking account, the cars you have, your home? Is that where you derive your value? If so, that's not a good place to be, and here's why. What are you going to do when all of those things are taken away from you? Here's where I derive my value. I derive my value. I am valuable, and you're valuable too, because God made you and God breathed life into you. God gave you a purpose, and you have value because He made you and breathed life into you. Seek your purpose, find your purpose, live your purpose, and you'll find life and rest and peace. And you'll also prosper. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope it helped you, and God bless.